Hello and welcome to this Innopharma module on clinical research. All drugs or therapies must undergo a rigorous process of testing and evaluation before they're considered for market.
This course provides a detailed guide to the role of clinical research in drug manufacturing, marketing and consumption. Content can be reviewed at the learner's own pace, with knowledge checks throughout the course to verify their understanding, as well as an assessment at the very end to test their knowledge. All aspects of the global pharma market are covered, from the biggest competitors to new target markets. Not to mention challenges currently facing research and development.
The purpose of the clinical trial is to evaluate the effectiveness of any new drugs and also to ensure their safety.
All topics are broken down piece by piece to make them accessible and enjoyable to learn. As well as market conditions, an extensive module on drug therapy is also provided. To give students a firm context behind how and why drugs are developed, this course provides an overview of how the immune system works, outlining the various challenges it faces from disorders and diseases. These modules lay the groundwork for even more detailed content on the drug discovery lifecycle, all phases of clinical trials, and post-marketing practices. To find out more, contact Innopharma by phone at +353 1 485 3346. You can also email us at eLearning@innopharmalabs.com. And you'll find plenty of information on our website at innopharmalabs.com.